Take a ride in the 2013 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, cruise control, fog lamps, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.